Hello student, today I am going to start a new chapter for you and that is arithmetic progression. Okay, so before we start this arithmetic progression, let me discuss few terms related to this chapter. Okay, and first one is sequence. First one is sequence. So what is this basically sequences? So sequence are arrangement of numbers. Sequence are arrangement of numbers in definite order. So this one is nothing but arrangement of numbers numbers in definite order. Okay, definite order. Okay, like let me give some example here, like 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 10 and so on. So if you see here, then if you add 2 in each term, then you get next term. Okay, so 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, and 8 plus 2 is 10, and so on. So these numbers are in some order. Okay, now let me give some more example here, like here 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 11 comma and so on. So if you see here, then these are arrangement of prime numbers. These are arrangement of prime numbers. Okay, so again this one is called sequence. Again, third one, 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 and so on. Okay, so these are also called sequence because if you see these terms, actually this one is known as terms and this one is known as first term, second term, third terms and fourth term. Okay, so if you see each terms, then after these four terms you can predict what will be the next term. So these are called sequences. Okay, now moving on to the next one, and next one is progression. Next one is progression. So what is this progression? So progression is nothing but arrangement, or we can say a type of sequence. So it is a type of sequence. It is a type of sequence in which numbers are in which numbers are arranged numbers are arranged in some certain rule. Okay, so it is a type of sequence in which the numbers are arranged in some sequence or some certain rules. Okay, like let me tell you by example, 2 comma 2 comma 4 comma 8 comma 16 comma 32 and so on. So here you can see, if you multiply this 2 by 2, then you get next one, and again if you multiply this 4 by 2, then you'll get next one. Again if you multiply 8 by 2, then you get this one, and again by 2, then you get this one. Okay, so these are called progression. So one more thing, let me clear you that all sequences are not progression, not progression. Okay, like I have written 1 comma 1 2 comma 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3 4. So these are sequence but not a progression, because this one is not this one is not following any mathematical rule. This one is not following any mathematical rule. Okay, so any sequence which follow mathematical rule are said to be progression. Okay, now moving on to the next one is arithmetic progression. Okay, so what is this arithmetic progression? Okay, so arithmetic progression is nothing but a type of progression in which in which in which between in which the difference between two consecutive terms, like if you have 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8, then you can see the difference between these two terms is 2, and again difference between these two terms is 2. So I'm telling you that arithmetic progression is a type of progression in which difference between two consecutive terms are equal. Okay, so one more example, like 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9 comma and so on. So if you see here again, 3 minus 1 will be equal to 5 minus 3. You can pick any two consecutive number. Like if you take this one, then 9 minus 7 is 2. Okay, so if you pick any two consecutive number, then the difference will be same. So that sequence or that progression is said to be arithmetic progression. Okay, now let me discuss the type of progression. So types of progression. So what is basically there are two types of progression. Okay, okay student, let me let me finish for today. uh, that's all. Thank you.